Alright, man, who's your buddy?
What's up?
Who's your buddy?
What? What's going on, man?
I'm out in Sheets, a couple of motorcycles with their plates folded out. Took off and I told them to stop. They'll be out. You got that YouTube? Alright. Who's your buddy, man?
I have no idea.
Oh, you won't play that game.
I seriously don't.
So you want the ticket for improper display instead, then?
What? My bad too?
What's that?
My bad too?
Yeah, both of you. You know that just... Copy. All right, man. Do you have an idea on you?
Yeah, I do, actually. I'm not going anywhere.
I mean, see, I was trying to be cool and just have him pull it down, but he wants to be an asshole. You don't know your buddy.
I don't know who that is.
Sorry, my bad.
Oh, hey,
my bad. I'm sorry.
What's going on?
I did like that, brother.
Don't mind,
Pat's over there.
Step off, right?
Oh, you're good.
Is that cops are here?
All right, man. Hang out.
Oh, Pat's here. Okay, cool.
Did you get a citation?
I think so.
You have a YouTube channel, don't you?
I do, yeah.
Okay, that's you. That is him. I thought it was. I couldn't figure out the fucking name.
I do.
No, it's fine. It is what it is.
Dude,
I'm not going anywhere.
When you catch up with your buddy, let him know if we find out who he is, he's gonna have a felony warrant.
I told him I have no idea.
If you happen to be at the same gas pump again, somewhere randomly.
I saw him at the pier. I have no idea.
Okay.
Dude, you should have seen the gas in Pennsylvania. It was $3.90 for 87.
Wait, that's more expensive?
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Yes, we have to set them all three.
For 57. I was like, or 87, I should say. What am I saying? 57.
Yes, I do, yeah.
That's what I can call it.
That's on my phone.
Somebody see that it's valid.
Just pay it.
Get my fat ass in this jacket.
Korea is out with the
And those are 4-cylinder.
You're not cars? They're not four-cylinder.
No, I think this one doesn't have a turbo. Oh, okay, so it is. Yeah, that's what I thought. So I know they have the MP.
Alright, man. It's a pretty loyal friend of yours. Because I would have just told you to put it down and get out of here if you had just told me who your friend was. But you're going to get a ticket for improper display, so you need to fold that down. It has to be visible.
Well, I mean, I can try to.
I mean, we have to handle this. It has to be visible.
If you go to buy a house,
I need to get that work done. Is your current address still? So it's, you have to go to court. If you want to go to court, court date is October 10th at noon at Brooklyn Mayor's Court up on Memphis. If you want to just pay it though, there's instructions for that. It's not going to give you, all right? All right, man. Have a good night. Tell your buddy not to come over here. It's going to be like that.
That's fine.
what's it average?
Citation for Monday. Yeah, proper display. What's such a dick? I can write you for anything.
They want to get somebody else.
They call like
I do not
a
care
civil
what
rights
he said.
violation. The police civil rights violation.
let you up? I didn't even see that.
They didn't let me on this.
That's bullshit.
Yeah.
What is the ticket for?
Improper display. I honestly don't know how much it costs. I'm assuming like $80.
If I take
Can't be over $100.
Can I ride it? No.
I don't know what this
It's
is.
apparently a proper display now, so.
What's her face?
Dude, I know how to ride, so I rode like in a parking lot once.
That's true.
Huh?
I rode in the parking lot once.
That's
I cannot believe you gave me that. Like, full disclosure, you can pretty easily see my plate from behind. I really don't understand what the issue is. I mean, he even said, he's like, since you didn't give me the name of the person that you were with, I'm giving you a ticket. So, I don't know. I'm gonna talk to a lawyer about it. It seems like that was kind of aggressive the way he gave that ticket, so I don't know. Or I could just pay it. I mean, it's only like $100. Like, it's fine. But at the same time, I'm very much like into the whole. Like, I almost want to pay more money for a lawyer to like, hey, that wasn't a right thing to do, type of thing. But I don't know. I guess we'll find out what happens, and I'll try to let you know, because that don't sit right with me, and I'm not really into that whole thing. So, whatever.
Look at my plate too. Tell me that's not improper display.
You can see it from about a car length.
Even Reedman would be like 2 cars back. If it was on there.
Yeah.
I bent it up before I came in here. They're like, yep, that's
I can read that from here, dude.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, the sheriff busted my balls about that on West 6th.
I'm gonna bust your balls.
He's like, it has to be
I'm gonna make your balls
90
bust.
degrees perpendicular to the road.
Dude.
I'm like, okay, Sasquatch. To this like 7-foot fucking beefed up sheriff. I'm like, dude, aggressive, roided out sheriff ever. But he didn't write me anything. He was just being a dick.
Fucking do this shit, bro. Improper display, dude.
But
I'm gonna make money from it though, so it's all good.
yeah, I think that's how I got that guy. Because he didn't turn his lights on. He just kind of pulled up next to me and then started coming over like
That's
he was
what
gonna
happened
hit
with
me.
him just now.
Yeah.
He was filling up and he just pulled right on up. Didn't activate lights or anything.
Yeah.
It was just like, all right.
And
Started
then
writing right away.
3 other sheriff cars fucking pull up, and I'm like, I'm gonna sue the shit out of you. 'Cause he tried to hit me, no lights, no nothing, didn't get on the speaker.
Yeah. Lights. You see the one video that you made where the cop came over and came up to my plate and was like this?
Yeah.
No, that one's illegal. The plate can't swing. So you know, if you're riding, that thing's flying up. Oh, even worse. Yeah, that's a $180 ticket. Thing like.
Dude, that's getting recircled like everywhere.
It is. I've seen it
Everywhere.
everywhere.
I see it all on my For You page, on everything.
Which is hilarious because that cop's probably retired by now.
Yeah.
And you also don't even own that bike.
That's illegal.
It took me a minute, I'm like, wait.
It's a great video.